Elon Musk announces Tesla Semi-Gen 2 2025. Shocking self-driving feature. It sounds unbelievable, but that is the capability of the Tesla Semi-Gen 2 just announced by Elon Musk. And that's not all. The extremely impressive self-driving feature on this truck line will make you unable to take your eyes off. Is this the future of long-haul transportation? Let's find out the details right now. Remember to like and subscribe to not miss the hottest updates from Tesla and the technology world. Tesla Semi-Gen 2, a revolution in the electric truck industry? Tesla has just officially confirmed that the second generation of the semi-electric truck will be launched in 2025. The special feature lies in the important upgrades in the battery and a completely new factory to meet the needs of mass production. Elon Musk has revealed that the Tesla Semi-Gen 2 will be equipped with a 4680 battery, providing superior performance, the most prominent of which is a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. In addition, the Semi-Gen 2 also possesses a mysterious feature that Elon Musk asserts will surprise drivers. This feature can bring outstanding economic benefits to users, which is rare in other electric trucks. So what is this? The answer will lie in the exclusive improvements that only Tesla dares to invest in this ambitious truck line. $1 billion per month. Elon Musk plans to turn Tesla Semi into a money printing machine for the transportation industry. More than just a means of transportation, Elon Musk claims that Tesla Semi will become a goldmine for both the company and transportation businesses. Based on the new production scale at the Nevada factory, Musk estimates that Semi-Gen 2 can bring in more than $1 billion in revenue per month. A huge number for any truck line. Tesla not only focuses on improving operating efficiency but also wants to minimize the cost of ownership for customers. From operating costs, maintenance to energy consumption, Semi far exceeds traditional diesel trucks. This gives transportation companies a huge economic advantage. The more they travel, the more they save. This is the factor that makes Tesla Semi a valuable choice for large businesses that need to transport goods continuously. The launch of the Tesla Semi-Gen 2 not only meets increasingly stringent cost demands but also contributes to reshaping the entire long-haul transportation industry in the context of booming electric vehicle technologies. Low operating costs. Can diesel trucks still compete? One of the key factors that makes the Tesla Semi-Gen 2 so attractive is its extremely low operating costs. While diesel trucks typically cost an average of $1.51 per mile, the Tesla Semi only costs about 85 cents per mile. This helps transport businesses save a huge amount when calculated over hundreds of thousands of miles traveled each year. Not only that, the Tesla Semi also stands out for its outstanding energy efficiency. On average, the vehicle only consumes about 1.6 to 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, while no other competitor on the market has achieved a similar figure. Major customers such as DHL and SAW have verified and confirmed this efficiency. With the average electricity price in California, the Semi only costs about 30 cents per mile, significantly lower than a diesel truck that costs about $3.66 for the same distance. This provides a long-term competitive advantage for businesses that make the switch to electric trucks early. Save tens of thousands of dollars per year thanks to minimal maintenance costs. Not only is operating costs optimized, the Tesla Semi-Gen 2 also impresses with its extremely low maintenance costs. While diesel trucks often face a series of problems from internal combustion engines, complex transmissions to hundreds of easily damaged parts, the Semi has eliminated almost all of these factors. Tesla's electric trucks use a minimalist design with very few moving parts, which helps reduce the risk of failure and prolong continuous operation time. According to Tesla's estimates, the Semi's maintenance cost is only about 10 cents per mile, which is about $50 over 5 years if driving 100.000 miles per year. Meanwhile, diesel trucks cost 20 cents per mile, equivalent to $100 for the same period, which is double the maintenance cost of the Tesla Semi. In addition, maintenance downtime is also significantly reduced. Diesel trucks often spend a lot of time changing oil, servicing exhaust systems, or repairing engines. In contrast, the Tesla Semi helps businesses save both time and money by having fewer problems, minimizing the risk of operational disruption. This is an important advantage for companies that need to ensure accurate and continuous shipping schedules. Tesla Semi's lightning-fast, hill-climbing ability. Diesel is still far from catching up. The Tesla Semi-Gen 2 is not only cost-effective but also offers incredible performance. This electric truck can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds, even with a full load and traveling on a 10% slope. This is almost unimaginable for diesel trucks, which are prone to losing control or even risking rolling over when facing similar steep slopes. The Tesla Semi's operating range is also a big advantage, with the ability to travel up to 500 miles on a single charge. The vehicle far surpasses most competitors in the same segment. This is an important factor for long-haul transport, helping to minimize charging stops and increase transport efficiency. It is no surprise that the Tesla Semi is currently considered the best electric truck on the market. Self-driving, a step forward to solve the transportation industry's labor crisis. The driver shortage is a major challenge for the transportation industry, and the Tesla Semi could be the answer. Elon Musk has confirmed that the truck will be fully self-driving in the near future. This will not only reduce the pressure on drivers but also improve transportation efficiency on long journeys. When self-driving trucks take on most of the work, drivers can rest during transportation while still ensuring safety. This is especially useful in the context of many accidents occurring due to driver exhaustion after working continuously for hours. With the Tesla Semi, the number of stops will be minimized, helping to optimize transportation time while still keeping drivers alert and ready to intervene in complex situations. Mass production with 4 million square feet factory, Elon Musk aims to dominate the electric truck market. Tesla has built a brand new manufacturing plant in Nevada with an area of up to 4 million square feet and an investment of $3.6 billion United States dollars. This will be the place to produce Tesla Semi Gen 2 with the goal of reaching an output of 50,000 vehicles per year. This shows that Tesla is serious about putting this electric truck line into mass production, aiming to dominate the long-haul transportation market in the future. Semi Gen 2 will be equipped with advanced 4680 battery technology, helping to improve performance, increase operating range and reduce production costs. In addition, Tesla will also upgrade the sleeping cabin and other important specifications to bring maximum comfort to the driver. However, the process of expanding large-scale production is not easy. Tesla will need to optimize the supply chain, automate the line and recruit the right personnel to achieve this ambition. With strong investment and long-term vision, Elon Musk expects Tesla Semi Gen 2 to become a new icon in the global transportation industry. Despite Tesla's technological achievements, mass production of the Tesla Semi Gen 2 is still not easy. The process of expanding large-scale production always comes with difficulties from component supply, optimizing the production line to finding enough skilled labor. In particular, the Semi is a complex truck line, with a unique design and structure that requires different manufacturing techniques compared to models such as the Model 3 or Cybertruck. Tesla has faced many challenges when expanding the production scale of previous models, and the Semi is no exception. However, with the ability to quickly handle bottlenecks in the supply chain and production line, Elon Musk believes that Tesla will soon reach the production target of 50,000 vehicles per year at the new Nevada factory. This demonstrates Tesla's great ambition in reshaping the global electric truck market. Electric trucks, an inevitable alternative to increasingly strict environmental regulations. The transportation industry is facing great pressure from increasingly stringent environmental regulations. Although heavy trucks account for only 1% of the vehicles on the road, they contribute to 20% of global emissions. Soil from diesel trucks not only pollutes but also directly affects public health. Faced with this situation, many countries have set a goal of eliminating diesel trucks in the coming decades. Tesla Semi was developed to meet these strict environmental standards. With zero-emission electric truck technology, Tesla gives businesses a great competitive advantage when switching early. In addition to low operating and maintenance costs, using electric vehicles also helps companies improve their brand image, demonstrating their commitment to sustainable values. This is an inevitable trend in the transportation industry as environmental protection policies become increasingly strict. Tesla Semi and Elon Musk's ambitious future. More than just an electric truck. Tesla Semi Gen 2 is more than just a truck. Elon Musk sees it as one of the key strategic steps to reshape the transportation industry and move towards a sustainable future. Although the vehicle can bring in up to $1 billion in revenue per month, Musk still considers Semi to be only a small part of Tesla's long-term plan. Tesla is simultaneously developing many other products such as Cybertruck, Optimus robot and new electric car models. Advanced technologies, including the 4680 battery and fully autonomous driving system, will play a core role in expanding the product. Tesla is not only about transportation but also has the ambition to become a leading company in the global clean energy revolution. With this development strategy, Elon Musk continues to demonstrate Tesla's bold vision and strong execution ability. Could Tesla replace diesel trucks in the near future? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts on the Tesla Semi Gen 2. Do you think it has the potential to revolutionize long-haul trucking? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest news on Tesla and electric vehicle technology.